do that. So it is incorrect to anybody to suggest that we have been lukewarm to the invitations from the Director General's office. I know that the Director General works for the Attorney General in terms of prosecution. So I consider the discourse between my good self or my office and the Director General's office as equally, by extension, to the Attorney General's office. So I am sure there was some communication gap that resulted in this impasse. But I want to express my disappointment in the warning that the refusal to defer the meeting. The warning was that it should Chairman Wontumi fail to appear, he will order the arrest of Chairman Wontumi and go to Appiah. Indeed, we don't need to unnecessarily increase the political temperature in the country. We have not at any point in time decided or refused to respond to invitations. And you see, the law is also that anybody, accused person or a suspect, ought to be given adequate time, preparation, and even resources to be able to prepare his defense to any charges prepared against him. And then let us also not forget that accused person is not considered guilty until proven so, and therefore he has to have a right to his civil liberties. Indeed, when we go to the court, the bail, police inquiry bail continues up to the point that the charges are filed in court, and then we make an application to the court for the bail to continue. And we will justify that with performance so far during the time of the bail, and also capacity of Chairman Wontumi as a person, Ghanaian, and a very known character, and somebody of substance in society. And then we'll make a case of his right to bail pursuant to our application for bail. So we are early days yet. So far, 2 points that I can emphasize. We have not been charged so far. We are awaiting any charges, if any. And we have been granted police inquiry bail. And we have responded to all invitations, all, and I want to emphasize, all invitations we have responded. It is also right in our practice that if for any reason you cannot respond, you make an application to the authority inviting you and indicating the reasons why you cannot respond at that given time, and also pray for an agreed time, which will be the time for both parties to be able to present themselves, and then we'll continue with investigations or prosecution. So we will always dutiful in responding to calls from authority in all cases where my client is involved in either investigation or in prosecution. I thank you very much for your attention this morning, and I also thank you for the diligence that you attach to this particular case. We are trying to develop the law, all of us together. It is our responsibility as practitioners to ensure that we collaborate even in the courtroom to ensure there is a judicious decision coming from the court itself. Myself, I will be an officer of the court. Attorney General is the principal lawyer in the country, and also submit to the call as an officer of the court. So it is our collective duty to ensure that justice is delivered to whoever appears before the court.